by Mathew Sinyard. It is a 32 count, 2-wall, beginner level line dance with tags on the ends of walls 4 and 8. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the tags and the ending, and then we're going to go through and dance 9 walls of the dance so that you know how it all flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn I Got Lucky. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do cross points forward, so we're going to step our right foot forward and slightly across our left, point your left toe to the left side. You're going to step your left foot forward and slightly across your right, point your right toe to the right side. We're now going to do a jazz box quarter turn with a cross. You're going to cross your right over your left, step back with your left, make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side. You're now facing 3 o'clock, and then cross your left over your right. Let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your cross points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to do a grapevine with a cross to the right, stepping your right foot to the side, cross your left foot behind your right foot to the side, and cross your left over your right. We're now going to chasse to the right, stepping right side, left together, right side, and you're going to rock your left foot behind your right and recover onto your right foot. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left foot crossed over your right. You're doing your grapevine with a cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do a left side toe strut. You're going to take your left toe, touch it to the left side, drop your left heel, taking weight onto your left foot. You're now going to cross your right toe over your left, drop your right heel, taking weight onto your right foot. You're going to chasse to the left, stepping left side, right together, left side, and you're going to rock your right foot behind your left and recover onto your left foot. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your right foot. You're doing your toe struts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to do a quarter turning Monterey. We're going to point our right toe to the right side, slightly angling your upper body to the left. We're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, turning on the ball of your left foot and bringing your right foot in and next to your left, taking weight onto your right foot. You're now facing 6 o'clock. You're going to point your left toe to the left side and step your left next to your right. We're now going to do a right rocking chair, rocking forward with our right foot, recover back onto your left, rock back with your right foot, recover forward onto your left. Let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your Monterey. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're doing your cross points. Cross, point, jazz box quarter, turn with a cross, grapevine with a cross, side chasse, rock back, recover. Side toe strut, cross toe strut, side chasse, rock back, recover. Monterey quarter turn, and your rocking chair, rock forward, recover, rock back, recover. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your cross point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the tags and the ending. Tag 1 is 8 counts. It consists of a jazz box and a rocking chair. Tag 2 is 4 counts, and it will just be the jazz box. So the first time we do the tag, you're going to do the long version of the tag. You'll finish the 6 o'clock facing wall doing wall 4. It will come to the front, and then you're going to add on the tag. So let's practice it. Weight is on your left foot. You're going to do your jazz box. So you're crossing your right foot over your left. Step back with your left, step your right foot to the right side, step your left foot slightly forward, and then we're going to do a right rocking chair, rock forward with your right, recover back onto your left, rock back with your right, recover forward on your left. And that is tag 1. So let's try it with some counts, crossing over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The next time we do a tag will be the end of wall 8. So it will be the 4th time we're completing the 6 o'clock facing wall. We'll do the full 32 counts, come back to the front, and then we're going to add on the jazz box. So we'll be here. You would have just finished your rocking chair. You're going to do your jazz box, cross, back, side, forward, and then you'll start the dance all over again. So now The ending, the last wall is wall 11. You'll be finishing the front wall facing the back, so you'll finish your rocking chair. All we're going to do is step forward with our right foot. You're going to do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 12 o'clock. And that is all the extra stuff in this dance. So now let's go around. On the front walls, I'm going to do steps. Back wall, I'm going to do counts. The first time we do the tag, I will do steps. The second time we do the tag, I will do counts. We're going to do 9 walls of the dance, which means we're going to dance both tags and the walls that follow them. Weight is on your left foot. You're doing your cross points. Cross, point, jazz box, quarter, turn with a cross, side behind, side cross, side chasse, rock back, recover, side toe, strut, cross toe, strut, side chasse, rock back, Monterey, quarter turn, rocking chair, cross point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross point, jazz box, quarter, turn with a cross, side behind, side cross, side chasse, rock back, recover, side toe, strut, cross toe, strut, side chasse, rock back, Monterey, quarter turn. In your rocking chair, at the end of this wall, you're going to do tag 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Add tag 1, jazz box, cross, back, side step, right rocking chair, start over, cross point, jazz box, quarter, turn with a cross, side behind, side cross, side chasse, rock back, recover, side toe, strut, cross toe, strut, side chasse, rock back, Monterey, quarter turn. In your rocking chair, cross point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Add your jazz box. 1, 2, 3, 4, cross point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Grapevine with a cross. Side chasse, rock back, recover, side toe, strut, cross toe, strut, side chasse, rock back, Monterey, quarter turn. In your rocking chair. And that is the whole dance. Now that you've practiced it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo and practice it as much as you would like so that you can go out and rock this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn. I got lucky. If you have any questions, let me know.